Hi, it's Wade McMaster here. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload a premium theme to your WordPress website. Now, if basically you want to log into your back end of your WordPress to get started, this is generally the screen you're met with. At the moment, I'm on a dummy site that just has the standard default WordPress theme on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to scroll down to Appearance, to Themes, and I'm going to click on that to go to the Theme section. At the top here, I'm going to click the button that says Add New. And on the next page, I'm going to click the Upload Theme button. And from here, I can actually choose my theme from my computer to upload. So I click on Choose File. You can see here I have some themes here that I can choose from. I'm just going to choose this one right here, click Open. And now I'll click Install Now. And depending on the size of your theme, it may take some time to upload. But if you just wait patiently, you can usually see down the bottom of your screen, it has when it's uploading, it has a percentage there. But basically, you just give it a few minutes to upload. You can see the theme's now been uploaded, and if I click Activate, the theme is now activated. So basically, my theme's up and running. If I go back to this page and click Refresh, you'll see that my whole theme has changed to this new WordPress theme I've downloaded. Now, I haven't done any customization, and I'm not too concerned about how the theme looks at the moment, but because I can go in and change that later. But that is basically how you can upload a WordPress theme, a premium WordPress theme. Now, if you do have any issues and you can't get your WordPress theme to upload, I do have another video, which I will share a link to in the description below. It shows you how to upload your theme using your FTP and activating from there. But otherwise, thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.